it's time for a new topic, interfaces. This topic can be tough, so don't worry if it feels tough to you. It's perfectly normal. I want to start by introducing you to a problem that we would have without interfaces. Let's say that we have, for some reason, all these animals inside our application: a fox, a parrot, a rabbit, and a ladybug. And we have even more classes. We have the class animal, mammal, bird, insect, fox, rabbit, parrot, and ladybug. Let's say the diagram looks somewhat like this. There are 3 layers. Fox inherits from mammal directly, and mammal inherits from animal. So a fox is a mammal and a fox is an animal. Sure, but let's say I'd like to add 2 classes to the diagram, a prey and a predator. Because some animals eat other animals and some animals are vegetarian. So where would I put them, prey and predator? I can't put it right under animal, because then all the animals in the underlying groups would be either prey or predator. I could do something like this, but it is terrible. Think about all the duplicate code and maintenance work you'll have to do. You'll always have to do the work twice. Or we could go ahead and do it 1 layer higher. Have prey and predator mammals, prey and predator birds, etc. But next to the duplicate code we still have, it leaves us with a problem. Because we have animals who are both, such as the bird eating this worm, while a cat is watching him. So the bird could be prey and predator. So we could create 3 options, prey, predator, and prey-predator. This is all horrible, right? I mean, the cat and the bird definitely think so. So let me tell you the more elegant solution here. You may have guessed it, but interfaces indeed. Interfaces are somewhat like classes, but not really. An interface can be considered a certain contract for behavior. The main thing of interfaces is that we can obligate the class that implements them to implement certain methods. To stick with our example, if one of the classes implements the prey interface, they must implement the run and hide method. When a class implements an interface, we can say there is an is-a relationship between the class and the interface. So in this example, the rabbit is a prey. So is the bird, and therefore the parrot as well. The insects are also preys, and so is the ladybug, because the ladybug is an insect and an insect is a prey. Very much like normal inheritance. But here's the difference. A class can implement more than one interface. So this allows the class to be both prey and predator at the same time. Both directly, such as the fox, which is implementing the predator and prey interface. But also indirectly, such as the ladybug, which is prey via insect and the predator directly. So an interface in Java is pretty much some sort of contract for a class that specifies what methods a class should have. Let's have a look at how to create interfaces in the next video.